Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on what are the main differences between MLOC and CLOC dynamic memory allocation functions. Okay, so what is dynamic memory allocation? So dynamic memory allocation means allocating memory at runtime. So for allocating memory at runtime, we have to use the following dynamically memory allocation functions. First one is malloc, second one is cloc, third one is realloc, and fourth one is free. Okay, so among them, the most commonly used functions are malloc and cloc. Both are used for memory allocation. Okay, now we go for what are the main differences between malloc and cloc functions. The first point in malloc is malloc function is used for allocating a single block of memory in bytes, which is large. Whereas in the case of cloc function is used for allocating multiple blocks of memory in bytes at runtime. Okay, here single block of memory is allocated at runtime by using malloc function. By using cloc function, allocates a multiple blocks of memory at runtime. Okay. The second point, malloc function takes a single argument, that is number of bytes. Whereas in the case of cloc function, it can take two parameters. First one is number of blocks and second one is size of each block. Okay, here malloc function takes only a single parameter, that is number of bytes. Whereas in the case of cloc function can take two parameters. First one is the number of blocks, second one is size of each block. Third difference, the name malloc stands for memory allocation. Whereas in the case of the name cloc stands for contiguous memory allocation. Contiguous allocation. Next, fourth one is malloc is faster than cloc. Okay. Whereas in the case of cloc is a little longer than malloc because so we have to initialize the allocated memory to 0 in the case of cloc. Because of that reason, so cloc function can take little longer time than malloc function. But here there is no initialization of allocated memory to 0 in the case of malloc. So because of that reason, malloc is faster than cloc, but cloc is little longer time taken when compared to malloc. Here there is a initialization of the allocated memory to 0. Okay. Next, fifth point, what is the syntax of malloc function? So here ptr is equal to, so cast type star malloc number of bytes, byte size. Okay, cast type star malloc size comma n. Okay, for example, ptr is equal to cast type is int, so int star malloc size means size of int, n means number of bytes. So here size of int is 2 bytes and n is nothing but 100. So 100 into 2, that is 200 bytes of memory allocated to the pointer variable PTR. Okay, here 100 bytes are there. Here number of bytes, that is 100. Size of each byte is integer. Integer can take 2 bytes. So 100 into 2, 200 bytes of memory allocated to pointer variable PTR. Okay, next. Whereas in the case of syntax of CLR, so CLPTR is equal to cast type star CLR number of blocks comma block size. So example, PTR is equal to int star CLR 25 comma 2. Here 25 is nothing but number of blocks. So each block contains 2 bytes. Okay, so this statement can allocate a 50 bytes of contiguous memory space. 50 bytes of contiguous memory space. Here this statement can allocate a, here 100, size of each one is integer, each 2 bytes, 200 bytes of memory allocated by the malloc function to the pointer variable PTR. Here 25 blocks are there, each block size is 2, so that is 25 into 2, 50 bytes of contiguous memory location is allocated by the CLR to the pointer variable PTR. Okay, so these are the main differences between malloc function and CLR function. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. Please subscribe my channel name. So Dibbela Srinivas Rao, DIBBLASRINIVASRAO. So Dibbela Srinivas Rao. Thank you.